Yeah, and those totals, Ben and Jessica, as you know, makes this a historic storm, and plenty of people are feeling it in the form of no power. I would say the good news, if there's some good news, is it's kind of holding steady. In fact, it's a few thousand customers less than at our last check, but you can see still more than 283,000 customers without power. This is a color-coded map that MEMA provides. You can see Western Mass totally fine. People have the lights on, have the fridges working, the heat on in Western Mass, and even this is less than 10% of customers without power in the green. It's really the South Shore and the Cape where you can see they're having big problems. So this is Plymouth, for example, 76% of customers without power. It looks like things have improved a bit here in Wellfleet. That used to be 100% of customers with no power. Now it's down to 68%, still a big majority, but they are working on it. We do see that Truro, Provincetown completely in the dark with 100% of customers without power. We know the utilities sometimes they can get the power back running remotely, so perhaps that's what's happening in places like Wellfleet. Eastham doing better, 43% of people without power. We do know here Plymouth and Falmouth still most people without power. They're not going to be able to get to those outer Cape areas if there are down lines and trees down with the winds still gusting as strong as they're gusting. So the utility crews, they're pre-positioned, they're ready to make the fixes as soon as the wind dies down. But of course, customers did get those alerts before the storm. It could be 3 to 5 days, so nearly a week before everyone gets their power restored. Ben, Jessica, back to you.